In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Sendwave. We'll walk through the entire flow from opening the app to confirming your transfer so you can send funds confidently and without confusion. Start by opening your Sendwave app. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account, make sure you're on a secure network, and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to begin a transfer. Tap on recipient to choose who will receive the money. If you're adding someone new, you'll first select the payout option. Choose the payment method for how your recipient will receive the funds, then select bank transfer. This tells Sendwave to deliver the money straight to their bank account. Next, enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank records to avoid delays. Enter their mobile number as requested. Then retype the same mobile number to confirm there are no typos. Accurate details here are essential. When everything looks correct, tap Save to store the recipient information. Now tap Continue to send. At this stage, you'll set up how you want to pay for the transfer. Choose to add a payment method. Select debit or credit card to fund the transaction with your card. Carefully enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Then provide your billing address, including zip code, city, and state. The billing address should match what your card issuer has on file. When you're done, tap Continue. You'll now choose your payment method from the list. Select the card you just added. Tap Continue to send to move to the final screens. Here, review the summary carefully. If you see details like delivery method, recipient information, and any applicable fees or exchange rates, double check that everything is correct. It's much easier to fix an error before you finalize the transfer. When you're confident everything is accurate, tap Confirm Transfer. Sendwave will process the transaction, and you should see a confirmation message when it's submitted. If notifications are enabled, you'll typically get an alert when the money is on its way. Keep the confirmation for your records. That's it, your transfer is complete. By following these steps carefully, you'll minimize errors and ensure your funds reach the right person quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you send your next transfer.